Welcome to InSpire KC Driving School. Let's quickly go over some driving 101 basics. Starting your car sounds simple, but let's walk through it the right way. Step 1. Press and hold the brake pedal with your right foot. Most cars these days start with either a key or a push button. Either way, the steps are the same. Turn the key or press the start button. You'll feel the engine kick in. Let it run for a few seconds. Step 2. Keep an eye on the dashboard. Make sure there are no warning lights staying on, especially the engine or oil light. Now buckle up, always. Before you shift into gear, make sure your mirrors are set and your seat feels right. Once everything's ready, foot still on the brake, move the gear into drive or reverse and out of park. And that's it. You're rolling. Just remember, stay calm, focused, and never in a rush.